Naka ano lang siya. Hindi na another one.
Asan yung vlogger natin?
Ha? Ayun yung vlogger.
Shares.
Ayun, naka-ano naman eh.
Paano yung may shares? Saan naman pala siya?
Hindi, naka-ano lang naman ako. Nagaan siya. Mainit. Ito, buksan mo itong isang ventilador. Ay, ito daw maandar. Yeah, 6 and 1/4.
1/4.
Yeah, you still have the paper. The
But
English.
this is double quantity, yeah?
Hmm?
Double quantity.
No. Don't worry, you have on the together also on the GC, right? The group chat. Sending it already there.
The recipe. Someone took a photo and sent to our GC. Are you there? In the GC? Yeah, wala.
I already sent our picture.
Kaya mag-ano laging lukewarm yung milk niya, no?
Akit sila yun, pero mamaya maglalaro pa daw sila ng bingo. Magbibingo, kasi may pabingo.
Uy, tara na, may pabingo ka lang. Bingo tayo.
Wala ka daw siya doon sa baba. Baka nandun doon na yun. Kasi hindi siya didiretso doon sa baba.
Yung pagkain niya, nasamdana nila.
Oo, dalhin doon sa baba, syempre. So, sana yung sugar natin, nandito na yung sugar natin. So, mix all. 1/2 na ito ha.
Hindi pa pwedeng ihalo dito yung sugar.
Pwede lang naman. Pero mas maganda kasi kapag
Nadilute na siya.
Yung ano na tunaw
Natunaw na nag-ganyan.
1/4. As usual, maglagay tayo ng kaunti na vanilla. Pero ito, optional lang guys ha.
Vanilla.
Vanilla essence.
Konti lang, pampabango lang. Red flour, white sugar, 1/2.
We can
One-half.
add other essence also. Other essence?
Salt. Okay na. So, lagay na natin yun. We will put the egg yolk. Egg yolk is 6 pieces, guys.
Egg yolk lang eh.
Oo, mamaya pagka egg
Oo,
yolk.
wala yung puti.
And then, we will add 2 pieces, 2 whole eggs. 2 whole eggs. Preheat mo na. Hindi, reheat, preheat.
Puro ako reheat. Sabi ko sa'yo, puro ako reheat. Hindi preheat.
Hello, dear. Yan ang ating instant kiss.
How many customer you have? Hey, how many customer you have? 3.
So we celebrate now? You're there online.
Hurry up, Nadia.
You sign already, Naj.
Oh, I'm
I
not
asked you
already
already
to
to sign.
Me no time.
Ah.
Sign
Okay, you take a seat first, guys.
Para maging dough.
So meron na tayo, naglagay na tayo guys ng ano, yan, flour, sugar, instant yeast, tapos
Unsalted butter.
Unsalted butter pagka nag-ano na tayo.
Ay,
Egg
ito.
yolk, 6 pieces, 2 pieces whole egg, salt, and milk. Okay.
This is our today's recipe.
Yes, today's
But we are
recipe.
making special.
Ensaymada.
Oh, so difficult name. Ensaymada.
Yes, ensaymada.
S-A-Y-C.
Yeah, ensay.
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 Ensaymada.
Ensaymada.
Okay.
May oil ako dito na balagay.
Ensaymada. We have to learn, otherwise what I will say to my son. We have this recipe in our book as well.
Yeah.
So this is the first recipe we are doing today.
Yes.
Okay.
We will make it ensaymada.
Ensaymada.
Para pangbukas mamaya sa kamay.
Gusto ko yung sa...
Sa amo mo to, kinuha mo?
Oo, kinuha ko lang sa ano.
Aray ko, rinig na rinig sa live ko.
Okay lang. Well, mag-try mo kayo mamaya. Lagyan niyo yung kamay niyo.
Konting oil lang yan. Hindi yan, hindi
Why
mag-ano.
are we putting too much eggs in
Kulay
there?
mo wilata to ah.
Ah, hindi? Ah, grapeseed.
Why are we putting 6 eggs in that? Egg yolks?
Yes.
Only egg yolks?
Egg yolk and 2 pieces
So,
of
whole eggs.
Whole eggs.
That's why it's so yellow.
Yes. Oh, meron ng yes.
1, 2. Honey?
Tablespoon.
Oh gosh, there's my glasses.
Unsalted butter.
Where's your glasses?
All of you have green. I don't have green.
O your apron.
Bakit hindi daw siya green? Tayo daw lahat naka-green.
Yung apron niya. Wala siyang uniform.
Ibigyan mo ng ano? Sino?
Nadia.
Ibigyan mo nga siya ng isang
Bigyan mo siya, hindi siya
apron. Apron, tsaka yung ano?
Do I need to pay for that?
Yes, of course! Of course you pay. You need to pay, dear.
How much do you have to pay?
120, including the modules, ma.
I gave you $45.
Wow!
No problem, you have to pay.
You gave already $45 last Sunday. So you just give me 75. No. No discount. You ask Ma'am Tess, ask her if she will give you a discount. You ask the admin, not me. Ito, ano lang natin gagamitin din natin ito, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. That's my
Sana yun? Subak lang na diha.
Ayun, may flavor tayo. Yung texture niya man, same din sa ano.
Oo,
pandesal.
design din sa pandesal.
Kasi nakikita ko ano eh.
So you have discussed this one. Share this one in the group as well, okay?
Pero
Yeah,
yung
they will share.
yellow lang.
Bigyan mo siya ng ano, apron niya.
Hindi ka ba mo, Joan?
You have to use your apron, dear.
Oh, my love. Okay.
Use your apron. And then, while kneading, we put the margarine. Ay, the butter. Yeah.
Any amount of butter.
No, it's, of course, it's one
Half cup, 1/4.
1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons.
Kailangan ano, may butter siya.
Sa pandesal wala? Meron din yata.
Pwede din.
Meron din.
Meron din sa pandesal. Kung gusto nyo na i-ano din, pwede lang din.
Instead of oil,
Oo.
butter. Mahal ang butter eh.
Yung flour
Kasi
din natin
gumagastos sa mga trials. yung
habang
practice mo,
nagninid.
Kaya lang po yung ano.
Kasama yun sa count,
Hindi kasi medyo ano siya. Malambot.
pero hindi yan kasama sa count.
Hindi, kailangan yung talaga
Kaya
minsan
mag-additional.
tatansyahin mo
Mag-depend
siya
man
sa
yan.
ano.
Yes, you have to wash your hands.
Anong kailangan niya? Oh.
Ikaw, porque ang laki mo, binabangga mo yung puwet ko.
Para hindi mag-stick.
Mag-ano daw siya, maghahalo daw siya.
Maghahalo daw.
Ma'am, yung mga iba, sinisip nila, pwede pa yun?
O pwede lang din.
Yan, hindi siya
Pero
sinisip
kapag ka
kasi
bread
yung-
kasi, if bread, you don't have to sieve.
Kasi yung flour din
No
kasi
need.
nagamit nila.
No need to sieve the bread. Okay, later. Oh, all right. Wait.
Put in your pocket here.
Amay, you wash your hands and then you hold your mouth.
Kasi ginaya ko yung ginawa ni Ma'am nung nagpiga ko.
Pero hindi na, I mean, hindi naman direct yung ginagawa.
Hindi, kasi kailangan mahanginan daw nga. Slowly.
Lagyan ko ang paglalagay. Yung phone ko dyan, ito ang lalagyan.
The spatula la.
Oh, Jojo! Okay. We try again on Sunday. Saturday, I will try.
Someone will make the... This will make the...
This is maize bhaja.
Ensaymada.
Ensaymada.
Cranberries, hindi ko gumawa.
Ensaymada. Okay. So there's no specific.
Kasi nagdagdag ako guys ng milk.
This is milk.
No, I add my milk a bit.
This is milk or flour.
Flour.
Okay.
So we
Okay.
have to-
Sorry, guys.
So we have to add a little bit of flour.
So it's mean we have to spare a little bit.
Of flour.
Yeah. For example, if this is 6 cups, so we have to put 5 and half.
No, this is already 5/1/4 of flour.
Then
5/1/4 ba yun?
extra.
1/2.
5 cups and 1
This is
quart.
extra.
Ensaymada, may butter para, marami
And
siyang
the butter
butter.
is, you need to put
Half and 2 tablespoon. Half cup.
1/2 cup of unsalted butter plus 2 tablespoons.
Para magiging soft siya.
Kaya yung butter kanina, hindi na
Guys, did you buy
Plastic
your
kasi to.
microwave?
Pang-business.
Oven?
Kanina margarine. Sa atin kami.
Do you have an oven with your home? Your employee have. I was looking a good microwave, but I couldn't. Tell me some brands which is easy available. This is the main thing, no?
Yung mas masilip.
Yes, dear.
Ha?
Alin?
Hello. No, you're not allowed to come.
Where's Jen?
No, I'm not sending her.
Have you eat them?
Ana, Lord.
Yes, there.
Gusto mo
Yes, I'm
humabol?
energetic.
Pwede.
That's why I'm energetic.
Pagod ka na. Next batch na lang. Next batch ka na lang.
So same, it should be like
Uy,
that.
ilan
and
lang
no
tayo?
break.
Kompleto tayo? May isa nawawala yung may boyfriend. Kasali talaga yung boyfriend. Bitter sa may boyfriend din.
When I do,
Yes. Go.
Special mention yung boyfriend.
Eh, sa boyfriend niya, dahil sa boyfriend niya, kaya di siya sumama.
Yung may nagrambulan
No, no.
Palang naman pa.
Nadia, did you wash your hands?
no, my hands are on.
Uy, sino gusto mag-try? Wash your
I
hands.
did 10 times.
Wash your hands, everyone.
Okay.
Guys, magpicture-picture
So
ka.
when it is not,
Then we send.
Hindi, marami yan sila
when
picture.
it's started, we have to put oil. Okay.
Just continue kneading.
Makeup on my.
Continue kneading.
Okay.
So the different